Wait, did you know this little green plant can clean the air in your home better than the most machines? It's called the spider plant, and today I am going to show you how to repot it the easy way so your balcony looks amazing and your air stays fresh. Step 1. Problem and setup. Most people struggle with spider plants because of one big problem: bad soil and poor drainage. The roots get soggy and the leaves turn brown, and the plant looks sad. But don't worry, I will show you how to fix it in just a few minutes. All we need a hanging pot with drainage holes, some good potting soil and perlite. This is the secret to keeping spider plants alive and happy. Step 2. Making the soil mix. Spider plants do not like heavy soil. They need it light and airy. That's where perlite comes in. This little white piece helps the root breathe and stop water from sitting at the bottom. So here is the mix: 70% soil, 30% perlite. Mix it up with your hands until it's soft and fluffy. This will keep your plant healthy and growing fast. Step 3. Repotting the spider plant. Now let's repot it. First, fill the hanging pot halfway with the mix. Then carefully take out the spider plant from the old pot.
Wow!
Use a tool to loosen the soil. Don't rush. The roots are fragile. Place it in the center of the new pot, then add more soil around it. Place gently so it's firm but not too tight. Done. Step 4. Watering and benefit. Time to give it water. Let the soil soak, then let extra water drain out. And here is why spider plants are amazing. They clean toxins from the air. They grow fast with very little care. They even make baby plants.
Wow!
You can replant for free. So not only do they make your balcony beautiful, they also make your home healthier. Step 5. Transformation. Let's hang it up and wow! Look at the difference from a tired, root-bound plant to a fresh, healthy one in a stylish hanging pot. This simple repotting trick with perlite makes your spider plant stronger and your balcony greener in minutes. Have you ever repotted your spider plant before? Tell me in the comment section. And that's it. Repotting spider plant is easy, and with perlite, your plants will thank you. Fresh growth and cleaner air. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more balcony gardening hacks. Thanks for watching.